In this video, I will walk through creating a new letter using the letter wizard. From the chart note, we can use the reference panel on the right-hand side to add a new letter with the plus sign here. Or we can go back to the overview and click on New Letter in the Letter section in the bottom right, or the Letters button at the top of the patient's chart. And this will all open a secondary window. We'll click New, and this is your letter wizard. From here, you will select your letter template. Obviously, in this case, a referral letter with a doctor. And I'm going to send it. I know who I want to send it to, so I will add that right here. I'm going to select the right person. So now it's set up to be sent to Dr. Jan Mohammed. I'm going to click OK. It's going to populate all of that information from the letter template, but it will also populate that physician information that we selected that we want to send this letter to. From here, you are going to basically fill in the gaps. And as you can see, these double question marks here, you double click the first one. You can enter that information. And then to tab between the fill in the gaps, save spots, Shift and F2. And you can complete that sentence from here. And you can see here that it does pull in the medical history as well as any medications that the patient is currently on. Making any edits to the default text. For example, I appreciate your assessment and care of Miranda during her pregnancy. You can add anything else that you need to. So if you do want to pull in information from a chart note, or for example, this information does not repopulate, what you can do is click this chart notes button here at the top. You can select one of any of the chart templates that are in the patient's chart, or you can click on Get Medications, Get Allergies. So if I click OK, it will pull in that full SOAP note that we may or may not need. So you can then select what you do need and remove what you don't. And then the next thing to do is obviously click Save. And with practice, obviously, as this is a referral letter, what I would actually do is click Save with Referral. And I'm going to either select an existing, or as this is a new referral, I'm going to click New Referral and hit OK. Assign it to an individual person or a job class as recommended in this particular case. You can enter the reason for pregnancy for a referral if you wish to. And in the requested practitioner, the referring doctor, I would also search that physician as well. It's not 100% critical that the physician fills this in, as it is in the letter, but it's nice to see, and you can see the name, phone, and fax number as well. And then click Save, and you will see the letter is attached as well, which does also have that information in there for who the referral is being sent to. And then you will close the window. And for more details on referral management and all of that process and information, there is a link to some articles and videos in the description. Just as another item to show you, if you have a letter that does not pull in your doc, like for example, you don't know who you wish to send it to right away, you can select your referral letter and it's going to populate yourself. Click OK. We'll cancel out of this. And then you finish your letter, and then you remember who you want to send it to. In this letter to field, you can search that physician again, enter it here, place your cursor where you wish to have it, and then hit paste letter to, and we have it set up so it will pull in that physician information for you as well. Then obviously, same thing, you can save or save with referral. And we'll just close the window, and now you can see your referrals. The letters that you populated are in the overview on the patient's chart. You can also see them back in letters. These are your existing letters that you have just created, as well on the right-hand side. And in the reference panel, you can see those letters as well.